So we're just finishing up work on this customer's boat. This is a returning customer, long-standing customer, who's moved from a sailing boat to this lovely Aquastar 48 motorboat. Included in this installation, we've got two servos, one for the 48 volt system, one for the 12 volt system that's giving us data both on the boat and over the internet. We've got a 12 volt battery charger which charges the domestic batteries. We have an MPPT that provides solar connection for the 12 volt systems. We've got a 12 volt charger for the bow and stern thruster. We have two Victron XSs, one for the stern thruster and one for the bow thruster from the alternator. We have a pair of Argo FETs. These are Victron's product for splitting the alternator charge between the different parts of the boat. We have a nice array of fuses there that take care of the distribution of all of that energy. We have a Victron Quattro 48 volt 8000 VA inverter charger, and that provides mains power into the boat. We have a 48 volt buzz bar with the Victron Lynx, and on the right here using a pair of class T fuses for the 48 volt battery input. We're using the Sterling 12 to 48 volt bidirectional battery to battery charger. Takes power that's excess from the alternator and pushes that into the 48 volt battery, but also really helpfully does it in reverse. So if the 12 volt battery needs power, the 48 volt battery can take its power and push it back there. We are using the Energy Solutions switch. We've installed for future expansion the GX extender box. We have a new AC distribution panel which includes an isolator, includes an RCBO to provide overcurrent protection, short circuit protection and earth leakage to the boat. We also have in this the protection for an additional circuit, as well as an isolator that we can isolate the output going into the boat. In terms of the system in operation, customer has access to the Servo touchscreen, and you can see at the moment the boat is drawing a couple of 100 watts from the grid. If I come and turn on the kettle, nice kettle, you can see that the power has now jumped up from the grid, and whilst this is a 32 amp boat, we've only currently got a 16 amp connection. So you can see there that on the right hand side the loads are nearly 3 kilowatts, but we're protecting our grid supply with only 2 kilowatts coming from the grid, and the battery system and the inverter on the boat is assisting so that we can keep everything on. And just for good effort, if I come and turn on the toaster, we can see the loads on the right there have gone up to 3.8 kilowatts. We're still protecting our grid protection with ensuring that we don't overload the grid. So yeah, great system for our customer. Gives them the flexibility to plug into a 16 amp supply and supply all of their loads via the Victron system that's here for them.